Today's topic: how to automate vacation rental and hotel operations with AI. Have you ever experienced this? It's 2 a.m., and the guest sends you a message. What do you usually do? Check-in instructions, housekeeping coordination, and managing bookings across multiple platforms. Are you handling everything manually? Whether you run a vacation rental, hotel, or ryokan, today I'll show you how AI can solve these daily challenges. If you think this video will be helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're interested, check the link in the description. Let's start with the basics of AI in hospitality. Where is AI actually used? For example, automated guest messaging, multilingual support for inbound guests, scheduling and housekeeping support, and even pricing optimization insights. But with so many AI tools available, it's hard to know which one to choose. What really matters is integration with your PMS. Bookings, messaging, housekeeping, instead of managing them separately, everything should be centralized. When your tools are not fragmented, operations become much simpler. That's exactly what AirHost makes possible. AI can act like a 24/7 staff member. Now, let's take a look at a real demo. How is AI used in real scenarios? First, before check-in. Automatically sends check-in instructions and details. Accurately understands questions, provides instant, relevant responses. Get accurate responses in each language. You can easily toggle AI on or off, turn it off anytime when not needed. You can easily toggle AI on or off, turn it off anytime when not needed. Faster response times lead to higher ratings, which boosts search visibility and increases bookings. Let's compare before and after using AI. Before, responses could take hours, and you had to respond even late at night. After, response time is almost zero, and you don't need to wake up anymore. As a result, guest ratings improve. Many guests say, "Thank you for the quick response." Finally, this solution is useful not only for vacation rental hosts, but also for hotel and ryokan operators. Start by checking the AirHost official website. You can find more details in the description. In the next video, we'll explain the site controller. We'll keep sharing useful tips for hospitality operations, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up.